Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious brown roux, an essential base for many rich sauces and gumbos. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need equal amounts of fat and all-purpose flour. For example, 1/2 cup of butter and 1/2 cup of flour is a great starting point. A heavy-bottomed pan is also crucial for even cooking and preventing any burning. Once your fat is melted in the pan over medium heat, it's time to whisk in the flour. Stir continuously until you have a smooth, thick paste. This initial stage is important for cooking out the raw flour taste. Keep stirring for about 5 minutes, and you'll notice the mixture starting to bubble gently and thicken further. Now the real magic happens. Continue stirring constantly over medium heat. You'll see the roux gradually change from a pale blonde to a rich, deep peanut butter color, or even darker, like milk chocolate. This browning process can take anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes even longer, depending on your desired depth of flavor. You'll also notice a wonderful, nutty aroma developing. Congratulations, you've made a beautiful brown roux. This versatile base is fantastic for adding depth and thickness to classic dishes like gumbos, etouffees, and hearty gravies. It imparts a rich, complex flavor that can't be achieved any other way. You can use your roux immediately in your recipe, or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.